So hello guys, I'm here in the lab. This is the lab. I mean, you can see this lab, what is going on here, a lot of mixtures. Now, these guys do a lot of experiments on different mixtures for the monolith building structures, different kind of structures, whatever it is. Now it doesn't matter, it's not only cement they're building with. We can see everything that is just right here. I mean, they are really going the length to make sure that structures are going to be strong. Now this is an experiment they've done. Now these are experiment about the durability of something, the layers, different layers. It has to be strong so that there wouldn't be crack in betweens and stuff like that. So I mean, they go the length to do a lot of experiments. We can see they have a lot of things here going. My brain can't really understand, but I mean, you're definitely sure that these structures are going to stand. They are going to stay. We can see these structures are going to stand and stay. This is really, I'm pressing on this, but it's not cracking. It's not cracking. Wow. Okay.